Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for Monday, tomorrow, 17th of July, 2023. See what's happening in gold, starting with Forex Factory. Let me share my screen. This is the screen for tomorrow. This is the 17th of July, 2023. And we got some heavy impact news, which mainly we're interested on USD. And also, if somebody is interested in euro, they can look into euro as well. There's a medium impact. G20 meetings that may affect in the market as well. These are the big economies having meeting. Let's see what's happening as far as the gold is concerned. And USD 1:30 p.m. UK time. It's Empire State Manufacturing Index, and actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if actual is greater than forecast, it would be good for currency. And it's heavily negative forecast at the moment. And let's see what we can expect in this, what it can be. And going to Dixie, Dixie's in the weekly chart is bearish. As you can see, it came down last whole week. Starting from previous week, last couple of weeks, is down. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 weeks, only went up twice. In 2 weeks, the rest of the weeks, it has been coming down. And overall, you can see it has a bearish structure. And if you want to see monthly, it's highly bearish in monthly as well. Now, looking at this structure, you can see that it has some sort of level here. Let's in here, but let's see in weekly. Yes, in weekly you can see that clearly. There's a level. There's some sort of structure. It has to break the structure before it comes down. But depending on the news as well, it may reject to the upside. This area. It may give a bounce to the upside, retest to the upside, and then come down, hopefully. And let's see if going to the smaller time frame for 4 hour. And you can see the rejection already had been started. And now let's see what happens, because this rejection has been started, and now this is a bearish candle in 4H going in smaller time frame. You can further look what's happening here. Maybe range up here and then go up or go down, see what happens now. And going to gold, our favorite, all-time favorite of everybody most of the time. Weekly is bearish, monthly is bearish, weekly is not bearish. See it's bullish. As you can see, this structure here, it's telling it's bullish. A monthly, although it is bearish, but at the moment, the month hasn't ended. So this candle here is bullish. So see what it brings us to us. Brings And now in daily, as you can see, there's a W formation here. This W formation, if it rejects from here, it is probably, as I said before as well, it should be able to come here, especially if the news is positive tomorrow. And it's highly likely it'll come to here. However, with if the news is negative, we can expect further highs. This level and even up to this level. And then some other time, probably a rejection. So we have to watch the market and see what it does. Now, going to Forex structure level. If this structure is broken to the upside or downside, then we can see some movement to that direction, either upside or downside. Depends which side it breaks. So this is a 4H structure. It's a consolidation, so it looks like it have collected enough liquidity and it's probably ready to move either to the upside to the downside. We hope it's downside, but see what happens. So nothing is 100% in trading. And if you want to scalp, you can go further up 15 minutes and look for the areas where you can get opportunity. If it breaks this level, there's high possibility it will come up to this level first before it even moves to the downside. This level. Last week I said it's possible that it can go to the upside, but it didn't. Go to the downside, but it did, but it's not much. It's because the news was, although news was positive as well, and it didn't. Let me see what was the news. Can't remember. The news was positive, yeah. So it didn't affect gold very much, and it didn't come down as was. I was expecting to break this consolidation period, but it didn't. So now this consolidation period. Previous days consolidated, and it is still been consolidating in this. So I hope this got enough liquidity for gold now, and I hope this makes sense, guys. And if you are interested learning more about Forex, please do comment so that I can make the videos which you require. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.